As a librarian, Jennifer wondered about where to find library data that could help her library improve. She'd also love to attend training and try new data analysis tools, but she assumed they'd be expensive and difficult to find. Recently, she discovered that libraries across the country are sharing data, and multiple organizations are offering tools and training, sometimes for free. Let's take a look. IMLS's Public Library Survey, for example, is the most comprehensive source of U.S. public library data. Each year, all U.S. public libraries submit data that are used to understand why and how libraries are changing to meet the needs of their communities. Jennifer used IMLS's Search and Compare tool to discover how her library compares to similar libraries based on public library survey data, including service, staffing, finance, collections, and more. Now, let's look at data tools that map libraries' activities around the country. For example, the Urban Libraries Council provides a map that shows which libraries are going fine-free. Whole Person Librarianship has created a map that shows where collaboration is happening between social work and libraries. Jennifer had no idea libraries near her were participating. Of course, these data sources are just the beginning. By comparing her library with others, Jennifer was able to discover gaps that could be filled with training focused on the development of new data skills and competencies. Let's look at some examples. InfoPeople provides online continuing education for library staff. It includes both free and paid training opportunities on topics that will help Jennifer progress on her data journey. WebJunction is another provider of online training for library staff, free of charge. Jennifer saw that their assessment, evaluation, and planning category was a great resource for data training. She was also interested in in-person training and discovered the Research Institute for Public Libraries, or RIPPLE, which offers national and regional data boot camps, in-person as well as online. Jennifer had always wanted to measure the effectiveness of her library and found multiple options that make the process easy and useful. She found that the Public Library Association offers Project Outcome, a free online toolkit for surveying patrons about the impacts of library programs and services on their lives. Their Impact Survey is a similar resource for understanding the impact of library computer and internet use on patrons. She also discovered a tool for evaluating her library's technology resources and services called EDGE. EDGE is an online self-assessment used by libraries to improve decision-making and better serve communities' technology needs. For the first time, Jennifer knew that she was not alone. She saw that libraries like hers across the country are sharing information and using data resources that can help her fill gaps, target opportunities for improvement, and demonstrate the impact of her library.